I just added an image to my timeline that I'd like to draw a line on. To draw your line, select the pen tool from the toolbar. Then in the preview, click to create a starting point for your line, and click somewhere else to create the line's ending point to get a perfectly horizontal line. I'll just drag my second point down a bit. Okay, now we can see where our line is, but it's not being outlined. To outline our line, expand the shape's properties in Effect Controls. Under Appearance, turn off the fill and turn on the stroke. Then increase the stroke's value to make your line thicker. All right, there I have a simple line, but let's say you want to animate it. To do that, go back to the Shape and Effect Controls and expand its scale. Then uncheck Uniform Scale. Next, position the playhead to where you want to start drawing your line. Then click the stopwatch next to Horizontal Scale to create a starting keyframe, and then set the horizontal scale to 0. Now move the playhead to when you want to finish drawing your line, and increase the scale back to 100 to create a second keyframe. All right, there I have a nice looking animated line when this is played back. To change the speed of your line's animation, just drag the second keyframe closer or further from the first one. If you want a diagonal or vertical line, I recommend still starting off with the horizontal one and then changing its rotation to fit your needs. This is because creating a diagonal line at the start will create some animation problems when you try to animate at scale. Finally, if you want to change the direction your line animates in, just drag the anchor points of value so that the blue point is sitting on the other side of the line. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.